Hello, and welcome to my YouTube page, Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond. This morning we'll be making this beautiful reindeer in just a few easy steps. Can't wait to get started. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our weekly tutorials. Happy folding. The first step in making this sweet reindeer is you're going to go ahead and get a softcover book of around 275 pages, and you're going to take the front cover and the back cover off. In this project, you're going to have two different folds. The first one, you're going to take the top right corner and bring it down into the gutter. Then you're going to bring the entire thing over again. So it almost looks like a paper airplane. It's the same fold if you've ever made a Christmas tree. And then you're going to bring it over. And then this extra flap right here, you bring it up, fold it up, and then just tuck it right in like so. So that's fold number one. The second fold, you take the top right corner, bring it into the gutter. Then you bring the entire side over into the gutter like so. And then you fold the entire thing in half. And you go back and forth with those two folds. So I'll show you again. Go ahead and take the top right corner, fold it down, forming a triangle. Fold over the entire thing again. Flip it over. Take that little tab that's left, fold it up, and then tuck it in. Top right corner. Bring it down. Bring the outside in like so. And then fold the entire thing in half. Make sure you check below so you can get the template, the free template to make the antlers and the ears. And if you wouldn't mind while I'm working on this, to like and subscribe so I can keep these weekly tutorials coming out to you, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. They come out every Sunday. And if you wouldn't mind, and comment below on what you would use this for. Would you make Rudolph? Would you make just a regular reindeer? And how would you decorate it? I'm going to decorate it with googly eyes and pom-poms, and maybe you have a different idea. So I'd love to hear what your ideas are so that we all can share and grow from each other. That's what's so special about this channel, is the sharing of ideas and learning from each other. So I'm going to continue to do this. And then once it's finished, I'm going to show you all the different ways to decorate it. So I'll continue folding, and then we'll meet back for all of the finishing touches. And that's what makes this project so much fun. So once you've completed it, what's going to happen is that, as you can see, this is 275 pages, is that it's going to start to wrap around itself right here. That's exactly what you want to happen. Now this is the fun part, all the decorating. So once you get the template, which is free on my Facebook page, and the link is below, you're going to go ahead and cut it out. So here's the antlers. Now I'm just going to cut this out pretty quickly because I'm just using this as a template, and I'm going to use it on brown cardstock. And then I'm going to also use some book pages as well, so that it has the cardstock for the support, but also it also has some of the book page look to kind of keep with our theme. So I'll show you what I mean in a second once I have this cut out. Onto some book pages. I'm going to go ahead and do it into two so I don't have to cut out both antlers. So I can do both at the same time. And then once I do that, I'm then going to glue it onto this brown cardstock so that it has a kind of a layered look. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace it onto my book page. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that out again. And I'm cutting on 2 pages at once. It's nice to do both at the same time. And then I'm going to take my brown cardstock. Again, I'm going to double it over so I'm cutting 2 at the same time. And I'm going to cut that out just a little bit bigger. So that way it will have the nice brown around it. So once you have your antlers cut out and your ears, notice what I did is the paper in the middle and then the brown cardstock on the end to give it a little bit more weight and also just to give it a little decoration. And now I'm going to go ahead and use a glue stick, a glue gun. Here's the nose. I'm just using a pom-pom. Again, you could use a red one if you wanted to use Rudolph. I'm doing a little bit, obviously not very realistic, but I'm just going to glue that right on. But you could use a red one too if you wanted. That's totally up to you. So there's my nose. And then I'm going to use googly eyes, which I'll put right back here. And then the other googly eye, which I'll put right around here. That it's a little bit hot. So do be careful with that. There's your googly eyes. And then the antlers I'll put right in the back. So one antler here. Hold that for a second. And then my other antler on his other side. Again, just hold it on for 1 second. That will stick.